Here we are, it's time for a Halloween themed cocktail again, and it is Amaro time again. One of my favorite times of the year for sure. Hi there, I'm Anne and welcome to my channel. I'm the home bartender. Please hit the like icon first thing. I really do appreciate it and it really does help my channel a lot. So yeah, here we are again. I know I'm usually pretty rum heavy and tiki heavy on my channel, but fall really calls for some Mezcal, it calls for Rye Whiskey and some Amaros. I found the perfect fall cocktail for us all, and I'm happy to try it again for you now. Packs a devil's punch for sure. It's gonna warm you up right away, and it's a roller coaster of a cocktail, and you guys know that I love that. Like I said, we have Mezcal, but it's not really smoky. It's a perfect combination. We also have Rye Whiskey, so that's a little bit sweet, but you also get a barrel-aged note from that, which I really like a lot. It's got Averna Amaro, and that brings in a smooth mouthfeel with a sweet, almost spicy, kind of cola-type flavor. But it finishes, for me, with a floral and orange note. It is a super well-balanced cocktail. Today's cocktail is called the Devil's Soul, and it can be found on Mr. Boston Drinks website. But let me show you all of our ingredients, as well as a little tip that I picked up from fellow YouTuber. I'll show you that and the ingredients coming up next. Okay, so there isn't any citrus in today's cocktail, so we're gonna build this in a mixing glass. I learned a really cool tip over on Livio's channel. His channel is called Master Your Glass. But we actually start with the ice in the stirring glass and stir it until it gets really cold. Then we drain the water out that has collected and add our ingredients to that. So I'm going to start with that right now. So the glass is pretty cold now, and we're going to start with a 1/4 ounce of Saint Germain. Good for balancing out the booze heavy cocktail that we're having coming up next with a sweet profile. 1/4 ounce of Aperol. That's going to lend our orangey flavor. Kind of bitter without the pithy overtones. 1/2 ounce of Averna Amaro. That's going to have a great mouthfeel. Going to be kind of rich. It's got Coca-Cola notes, but a sweeter profile, little spicy. 1/2 ounce of Mezcal. This really isn't enough to overpower the cocktail with its smoky notes. It's a really great ingredient for this cocktail. 1/2 ounce of Rye Whiskey, sweet yet bold. All right, now let's stir this up. Okay, I think that's enough stirring. Now we're gonna just strain it into our cocktail glass here. So I have a little orange coin here, and I'm going to flame that over the top of the cocktail real quick. That is the Devil's Soul cocktail. This cocktail really is great for Halloween or a fall dinner party. I think it'll take you all the way through the holiday season if you want it to. Please head over to my Instagram and follow me there at Home Bartender Anne. I always post a picture and a recipe of today's cocktail on my Instagram. I'm also on Facebook. So please tag me if you make this cocktail. Does the Devil's Soul sound good to you? Have you made it before? Please comment and let me know if this one is something that interests you. I'll do more of these if you like that. Just join the conversation in general. It really helps my channel, and I do like to interact with you guys. So yeah, leave a little comment. Don't be shy. Thanks so much for spending your time with me today. Cheers, happy fall, happy Halloween. See you next week. Be well.